guys doing?
Yeah, just waiting for the bathroom. I've been open for more than an hour. Not sure what else is going on.
Okay. You guys knocked, then no answer?
Yeah, she's answering, but she just wouldn't open the door.
Do you have a key?
I don't. That's not different.
You guys don't have a key? Alright. We'll try to make contact.
West Palm Beach Police, open up. This is West Palm Beach Police. You gotta open the door.
It's not public, it's private. You've been there in an hour. They need you to leave. It is a private business. They want you to leave. If you do not leave, you will go to jail.
And this is your last warning. Come out, open the door.
You're refusing to leave. That is what you're doing wrong. It's called trespassing. Well, you're trespassing on private property.
If you have medical problems, we're gonna get you medic.
So, how do you guys open the door if it's locked?
We have to open it inside.
Yeah, so there's no way to open it from the outside?
Yeah, we can open it there.
There should.
We are still waiting outside for you.
Trespassing is a crime. Do you need the medics? You gonna go to the hospital? No. Okay, then you need to leave. You've been in there for an hour. You could have taken care of it already. You need to leave.
No, I'm not.
Let's go. Come on, leave.
I don't need to leave.
You wanna go in handcuffs?
What?
Let's go. We're gonna tell you this one last time. If you don't leave, you're gonna go in handcuffs. Let's go.
I'm going where?
To jail.
To jail.
I'm going to
For
school.
trespassing.
For trespassing. Grab your stuff and leave.
Private property.
Private property.
How
How am I trespassing? I know my
You are
rights.
being told to leave
I'm
a
using
private
the bathroom.
business.
Okay. I hear you. I understand you. I am leaving in 2 minutes.
Listen,
No.
I'm gonna give you a last warning. If you don't leave, you're going in handcuffs.
All right, let's go. I'm leaving.
Do not come back on this property. You're trespassed.
How? How am I
Let's go.
trespassed?
Step
I don't
out.
want you back on this property.
Step out.
Leave the property. Or you
Step
go to
out.
jail.
Step out of the property, or you're going in handcuffs. Ma'am, did you hear what I said?
Look, off the property.
Off the
That means
property.
Out of the parking lot.
Out of
off
the parking lot.
sidewalk. If you come back onto this property, sidewalk or parking lot, you go to jail.
Motherfucker, bro, you are ridiculous. I was using the bathroom and I have
It
medical
doesn't matter.
issues.
Other people need to use the
I
bathroom.
know my rights.
You have no rights on private property. If they don't want you there, you have
This
to leave.
is not private property.
Yes, it is.
This is a public restaurant.
It is a private entity.
You know what? You know what?
This is your last chance. Leave or you go to jail.
I'm off the property.
No, you're not. You're still in their
And
parking
you guys want her to leave, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
because it smells inside.
Still in the parking lot.
okay. All right. And who's the manager? You're the manager. Okay. And you want her to leave the
You're gonna
property.
get hit by a car.
Okay. Ma'am, this is the manager. She's asking you to leave. All right? As of right now, you need to leave the property. I'm going to tell you this one last time. If you don't leave, you're going to go in handcuffs. Ma'am, leave the
Goodbye.
property.
thank you so much for letting me handle my medical issues. What is your name?
Officer Charles.
Charles.
Yes.
And Nicholas.
Yep.
Thank you for not helping me.
Okay.
You do not know
We
how
offered you the
to.
medics. If you want to go to the hospital, we'll call the medics for you.
I don't need the medics.
Okay, well then you
I
need to leave
was
the property.
handling my issues.
For
I'm
an
going
hour.
to
You
school.
need to leave.
Doesn't matter how long it takes. If I'm an hour, there's 2 bathrooms. Motherfucker.
They don't have to let you use it
Why?
because it's a private entity.
Okay, and if I was buying something, that's
They can deny you
allowed.
service.
So, can I get my food?
No.
No. At this time, they
That
don't
I
want your
paid
service.
for?
Nope. They don't want you
They
back
don't
on
want
their
your
property
service.
for a year.
You
If you
leave.
come back, you go to jail.
You don't even know my name.
We don't need to know your name. If you come back, you're going to
You don't know
jail.
my name.
We know your face.
I
It's
know my
recorded.
property, I know my rights, and y'all are f***ing ridiculous, and I'm going to report you
All right.
right now.
Talk about the situation, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on.
I just got food. What are you doing?
Don't fight.
Don't fight.
What are you doing? She just said I could order food. What are you doing? You just said I could order food. She just said I could order food. Really?
No, just arrest her.
Wait. I know my rights. Wait.
Don't fight.
Wait.
You fight, you're gonna get hurt.
Wait.
I'm telling you. Put your hands together.
Girl, did you not just say I could order food? Did you not just
Hold
say
on.
I could order food?
So you told me you're talking
Cardi,
about
she's been detained right now or something.
You just told me that.
I was on the phone with them and I
Okay.
asked you if I could order food. Now I have to call them again.
Relax.
Can I please just,
Relax.
can you please stop?
We're not
you're under
stopping.
arrest.
Can you please
right
stop?
now,
For what?
right now, relax.
For what? For what?
Trespassing.
For what? You just said I could order food.
You went to the bathroom and I told you they just told you to leave and then you say you were talking to them.
Let's go.
Please, can
Let's
I
go.
get my food? That's my phone.
Your phone's right here.
Your phone, we got your phone.
Bro, what the fuck? You just said I could order food. Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck, dude?
Relax.
Can I
Relax.
please make a phone call? 'Cause
Relax,
I was just
relax right
talking
now.
to your manager.
Relax right now.
I was just on the phone with the company. Let me make a phone call.
Hey, can you relax?
No, I can't. She just said I could order food.
We told you you weren't allowed back on the property.
And she said that it was okay. Please.
What's your medical issue?
I need to make a phone call. Please.
Do not fight it. You're not getting away with this. Do not fight it.
Please.
You're gonna get more charges. We told you we give you several chances.
This doesn't make sense. She said I was able to order food.
Well, we told you already not to come back.
And then I asked her, I
Okay,
said I lost
that's not
my
what-
mail in the bathroom.
Just
I've
relax for
done
now.
Nothing wrong.
Can you relax for now so I can take this off?
I've done nothing wrong. I know my rights. You are fucking violating me. My rights. You're violating me. You're
Stop.
violating me and my
Stop
rights.
clenching.
You are violating me and my rights, sir.
Turn around.
Ugh.
I'm reaching for it.
You are violating me and my rights. I'm trying to get my nail that just broke off. I don't need to be going to jail over going to the fucking bathroom. I need to make a phone call.
Listen, you need to stop. You need to stop,
Tell
okay?
the lady to come out here, please. I already reported you guys.
Yeah, you did. And that's good. That doesn't mean that you could have come back. Let's put her in the car.
need my drink.
Might have more on.
I need my drink. Can please one of you get my drink?
No.
Please.
Stop.
What you're doing right now is not helping.
What you're doing is illegal. Fuck! Don't take her off! Do not take my grandmother off! I'm going to the bathroom! Please! No! No!
Just leave it so it's in county. Yeah.
Okay.
Leave it so county.
No!
All right. All right.
No! You just broke off all of my nails!
Just let her be.
All right, stand up. Get in the car.
Arg! Arg! What the fuck? What the fuck? What the
She got out of the cuffs. She got out of the cuffs. All right, so we're gonna open the door to let you step out. Do not try anything, okay?
We have to put different
All
cuffs
right,
on you.
all right. Do not try anything. Step out.
She said it was okay. Can you please
There go
check
your
the
shoes.
cameras? I know my rights. I'm not in the wrong.
Slide your shoe on.
As I was explaining to you on the phone, this is not a public restroom. This is a business.
And she said it was okay.
Yeah, the AC is on.
I can't feel my arms. I need to go. Please. I don't give a fuck. I need this closer. Bro, what the fuck? Over a bathroom. Bro, what the fuck?
Sierra, don't
Wrong
kick.
with you? You do nothing to help the community.
Sierra, give us your other foot.
No.
Give me your other foot.
Sierra.
Here you go, you fucking king that does nothing to fucking help! Stop. You too, you're supposed to be on my side! And there is supposed to be women supposed to be helping each other!
You're acting like that.
Because bro, what the fuck?
Be able to
Feel
slip,
my wrist.
flip them through.
Oh my god.
I just wanna get out of here! I did nothing wrong! Please, can we just go?
Trespassing, unauthorized entry into a structure or conveyance. Resisting an officer, obstruction with violence. Appeared in custody at her initial court hearing, found to be indigent and was assigned a public defender. Released on her own recognizance. Failed to appear for scheduled hearing, the court granted a courtesy reset to May 14. Appeared in court, signed a pretrial diversion agreement and waived her right to a speedy trial. Ordered to pay a $150 fee by June 3, 2025. Failed to appear in court, bond was set at $2,000 and a warrant was issued for her arrest. As of the latest court record, the case remains unresolved.